দেখা পাইছে বিছনা দুখন আৰু looks very cozy actually. Those are the bed sheets and the pillows of different colors and shapes and patterns. You can see there. And then here we have the bunk bed. That's really nice, really nice. It looks beautiful. So basically, if you have 2 kids, they can easily fit into it, and you can just save space in your room. So here are some more beds, more designs you can see up there. And this one, especially with the drawers underneath, you can just use those to keep your stuff, kids' stuff there. Here for some small babies. Some room ideas, how you can design the room. You can take a look here. So there is a closet. You can keep all the stuff, all the toys and their clothes, all goes inside. And here is a board. This looks very decent, very pretty. I'm sure your kid will definitely like it, this design. Guys, you are watching Singapore IKEA store design ideas. So here, this is the living room. You can see there's a cozy sofa over there. The couch is really nice and cozy. And here is a big screen television. And then here beside this, you can see the sideboard where you can keep all the plates and glasses and all those stuff, kitchen stuff. It's really nice, really nice. It's really good. I really loved it. And then here is the dining table. So it's a dining table with 6 chairs. And up there all these design lights look very pretty. And here is the center tea table. And that's the price you would have been seeing. It's really beautiful. Let's go to the kitchen. So here is the kitchen design idea. So here in the center you can see the table. And here is the induction cooker with the oven. That looks really nice. And here's the sink, kitchen sink, and behind you can keep all the dishwashing liquids and wash and etc. Here's the fridge. It's right next to the sink. And these are the kitchen cabinets. So all your stuff will go inside. There's a corner one, and this, with the hinges you can check there. আৰু ইয়াতে হৈছে আপোনাৰ ড্ৰয়াৰ কেইটা, কিচেন কেবিনেট কেইটা. ইয়াতে আপুনি অল স্পুনছ এণ্ড অল ইউ কেন কিপ দেয়াৰ. ওপৰতো আপুনি কিছুমান বস্তু ৰাখিব পাৰে, বহুত স্পেচিয়াছ. All those spaces can be used. বহুত ধুনীয়া দেখা যায়, খুবেই ভাল লাগিছে ডিজাইন. সৰু ৰুমত মানে বহুত ধুনীয়াকৈ আপুনি you can keep all your things. আৰু মাজতে আপোনাৰ এইটো টেবুল 4জনীয়া চেয়াৰৰ লগত, আৰু ওপৰত এইটো লাইট দেখা পাইছে. Let's go to the laundry area. So down you can see the washing machine, and up all this storage area. So you can design it like this way. So to get more space out of a small your washing. And here some racks. আৰু ওপৰত এনেকৈ আপুনি shelves বনাব পাৰে. ইয়াতে all those your shampoos and conditioners you can keep over there. Then here is the wash basin with the mirror up and the lights on top. This is the shower area, and up at the geyser, and down you can see the toilet. ahok aru eta living room chai lo. Yate apni eta dekha paise around 14 by 14 room. Yate sofa with storage area. It's like a sofa bed actually. So up there you can see the price, and it's a corner sofa bed with storage. Then curtains with the lights, blue lights. Some of your favorite paintings you can keep there. So here is a shelf with your books, you can keep over there, and some of your stationery stuff obviously. That's very cozy one. Color to birat dhuniya lagche.
Welcome to IKEA Singapore. We are committed to
এটা ইফালে আপোনাৰ টিভি ৰাখিব পাৰে।
We are doing our part and
With the
secure
setup box.
all necessary and preventive measures
That's
to keep our
really
souls
very
safe.
decent, very decent.
We have also
Let's go to the light section. ইয়াতে আপনি বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ লাইট দেখা পাইছে। অত্যাধুনিক লাইট আৰু বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ কালাৰ, বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ শ্বেড, সৰুৰ পৰা ডাঙৰ, মিডিয়াম চাইজ, এনেকুৱা লাগে আৰু আপোনাৰ ৰুমৰ ডিজাইনৰ হিচাপে, ৰুমৰ কালাৰৰ হিচাপে, চাইজৰ হিচাপে এনেকৈ আপুনি চুজ কৰিব পাৰে। What you are watching is the IKEA Singapore, and here you can see all the design, international standard design. আপোনাৰ নতুন ঘৰ বনাই আছে বা আপুনি ৰিনোভেট কৰি আছে, ইয়াৰ পৰা কিছুমান আইডিয়া ল'ব পাৰে আপুনি। আজিকালি বহুত বস্তু অনলাইনত পোৱা যায়। ইণ্ডিয়াতো বহুতকেইখন IKEA ষ্ট'ৰ হৈ গৈছে আজিকালি, বেংগলোৰ, চেন্নাই, দিল্লী, কেৰেলা, হায়দৰাবাদ, গুৱাহাটীত চাগে এতিয়ালৈকে অহা নাই। Get some of this box items here down. কিছুমান সৰু লাইটো আছে, ওপৰত কিছুমান এনেকুৱা ডিজাইন লাইট, ডিজাইনৰ কাৰণে খুব ভেৰাইটি অফ লাইটছ এণ্ড লেম্প শেডছ ইয়াৰ পৰা বহুত আইডিয়া ল'ব পাৰি। Wow, those are the lamp shades made out of bamboo. The most of China dry ahe. I'm sure our Assamese bahar industry jinte kaam kori ase yar par kisman idea lobo paribo aru enekwa bostu banabo paribo, so it will be a big hit. ইয়াতে কিছুমান লাইট দেখা পাইছে আপোনাৰ, এইবিলাক আপোনাৰ চিনেমাৰ লাইট, আপুনি এইবিলাক লগাব পাৰে আপোনাৰ ড্ৰয়িং ৰুমত। এইকেইটা দেখা পাইছে ইয়াতে। আশা কৰোঁ আপোনাক ভাল লাগিল ভিডিঅ'টো। আপুনি ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব, লাইক কৰিব আৰু কমেণ্ট কৰিব কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ ভিডিঅ' আপুনি চাব বিচাৰে। থেংক ইউ ফৰ ৱাচিং।